I would like to check in, please.
I would like to check in, please.
Here is my passport and ticket.
Here is my passport and ticket.
Is the flight on time?
Is the flight on time?
Which gate is for my flight?
Which gate is for my flight?
I have only one suitcase.
I have only one suitcase.
Can I have a window seat?
Can I have a window seat?
Where is the security check?
Where is the security check?
I am traveling for vacation.
I am traveling for vacation.
Do I need to remove my shoes?
Do I need to remove my shoes?
My flight is at 10 o'clock.
My flight is at 10 o'clock.
Where is my seat number?
Where is my seat number?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Please fasten your seat belt.
Please fasten your seat belt.
Is there a vegetarian meal?
Is there a vegetarian meal?
I would like a blanket, please.
I would like a blanket, please.
Can I use my phone now?
Can I use my phone now?
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
I need to use the restroom.
I need to use the restroom.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
We are landing soon.
We are landing soon.
What is the purpose of your visit?
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for sightseeing.
I am here for sightseeing.
How long are you staying?
How long are you staying?
I am staying for 2 weeks.
I am staying for 2 weeks.
Where are you staying?
Where are you staying?
I am staying at a hotel.
I am staying at a hotel.
Do you have anything to declare?
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I have nothing to declare.
No, I have nothing to declare.
Enjoy your stay in the city.
Enjoy your stay in the city.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
I have a reservation for today.
I have a reservation for today.
What time is check-in?
What time is check-in?
Is breakfast included in the price?
Is breakfast included in the price?
My room is on the 3rd floor.
My room is on the 3rd floor.
The Wi-Fi password, please.
The Wi-Fi password, please.
Can I have an extra towel?
Can I have an extra towel?
Where is the elevator?
Where is the elevator?
The air conditioning is not working.
The air conditioning is not working.
I want to check out, please.
I want to check out, please.
Can you call a taxi for me?
Can you call a taxi for me?
Where is the nearest subway station?
Where is the nearest subway station?
I need a ticket to downtown.
I need a ticket to downtown.
How much is a bus ticket?
How much is a bus ticket?
Does this train go to the airport?
Does this train go to the airport?
Turn right at the next corner.
Turn right at the next corner.
It is a 5-minute walk.
It is a 5-minute walk.
Where can I rent a car?
Where can I rent a car?
I am lost. Can you help me?
I am lost. Can you help me?
Is it safe to walk here?
Is it safe to walk here?
I need to find a pharmacy.
I need to find a pharmacy.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I am allergic to peanuts.
I am allergic to peanuts.
The food is very delicious.
The food is very delicious.
Where is the best museum?
Where is the best museum?
I want to take a photo.
I want to take a photo.
Can you take a photo of me?
Can you take a photo of me?
What time does the park close?
What time does the park close?
I love this city so much.
I love this city so much.
Where can I buy souvenirs?
Where can I buy souvenirs?